I'll show you how you can download any Wi-Fi driver just on Windows 11. The easiest way is you just have to press on Windows X. On here, you can see now there's gonna be a new menu that appears here. On here, go to Device Manager. On Device Manager, go ahead and full screen it if you'd like. On here, you want to go ahead and find the Wi-Fi driver. It should be on one of these here, which will be here, Network Adapters. On here, pick on your Wi-Fi adapter, which will be this. On here, you want to right click and then you want to tap on Update Driver. You can tap on Search automatically for drivers, and if the best driver is already installed, then it's already installed. But if you don't have this driver, you can go ahead and download it from your manufacturer's website. So for example, if you have an Intel Wi-Fi driver, you can go ahead and go to this website, intel.com, Content Download Center, and then on here you can go to wireless or Ethernet products. On here I'll say wireless, and then on wireless here, once I click on it, you can see now there will be a lot of drivers that we can go ahead and find. So for example here, Intel wireless Wi-Fi drivers for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's just click on this, and then you can tap on download. I accept the terms and license agreement, and then that's it. Now the Wi-Fi has been downloaded.